Hey there. In this short video, I'll show you how to install Claude Code in your terminal. Let's start by opening the terminal on Mac. Use the keyboard shortcut Command plus space. Type terminal in the search bar and open it. On Windows, it works the same way. Just type terminal in the search and you're good to go. For installation, we'll need the official Claude documentation. I'll leave a link to it in the video description. Depending on your operating system, copy the relevant command and paste it into the terminal. Press enter and wait for the command to finish. On the first install, the terminal will show you setup notes. Just copy the command, paste it into the field, and press enter. Almost there. Now let's launch Claude. Simply type Claude in the command line and press enter. A Claude setup window will open. Choose the style that works for you and press enter. Next, Claude will ask you to authenticate. To use Claude Code, you'll need an account with an active Claude subscription, Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise. Press enter and you'll be redirected to the browser to sign in. Complete the authentication and come back to the terminal to continue the setup. You'll then see some brief safety notes. Just press enter. Select the recommended settings for installing Claude Code in the terminal. Now, Claude is asking whether you trust your computer. I'd say yes. Congratulations! Claude Code has been successfully installed in your terminal. You're ready to start working with it.